You are watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Here are 5 powerful and long tricks to improve your English skills. Each explained in detail. Surround yourself with English. If you want to learn English fast and naturally, make it a part of your daily life. Surrounding yourself with English helps your brain get used to the sound, flow, and patterns of the language without pressure. How to do it? Change your phone or computer language to English. Watch English movies, shows, YouTube videos. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or news. Use apps like BBC Learning English. Follow English speaking creators on Instagram. Why it works? Just like a child learns their first language by listening, you shall start to understand natural English, learn real phrases, and feel more confident in conversation by simply being surrounded by the language all the time. Speak every day, even if you are alone. Many people understand English but can't speak because they don't practice it. Speaking is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. How to do it? Talk to yourself in English in the mirror. Describe what you are doing. I am washing the dishes. Record your voice and listen for important. Speak with friends or family in simple English. In online speaking groups or WhatsApp practice chats. Why it works? You don't need a classroom to speak. The more you speak, faster your brain connects words. It removes fear and helps you become more fluent and confident over time. Think in English, not translate. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is translating. Every sentence from their native language. Instead, start thinking in English, even simple thoughts. How to do it? Start small, think in words, apple, water. Move to short sentences. For example, I'm tired. Ask yourself questions in English. For example, what should I eat? Visualize things and name them in English during your day. Why it works? When you think in English, you stop depending on translation. This builds natural fluency, speeds up your speaking ability, and helps you sound more like a native speaker. Use new words in real sentences. Learning vocabulary is important, but only remembering. The meaning is not enough. You must use new words in sentences, conversations, and writing. How to do it? Learn 5 new words every day. Make 3 sentences for each word. Use those words while talking or writing. Review them weekly using flashcards or a notebook. Why it works? Words become part of your vocabulary when you use them. Repeating and practicing them in real situations will help you remember longer and speak with better vocabulary. Practice all 4 skills together. To become fluent in English, don't just focus on one skill. Improve all 4: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These skills support each other and build complete English fluency. How to do it? Listen to English daily. Read stories, short articles, or captions in English. Speak daily. Write a small diary entry, comment, or message in English. Why it works? When you practice LSRW together, your brain connects everything. You understand better, respond faster, and your English becomes natural and strong in every situation. Final advice. Improving English is not magic, it's practice. Use these 5 tricks daily, even just 15 to 20 minutes.